Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel Rider Nada Motor Diaries. Today is day 24. After exploring the Gandikota, would be riding to Vijayawada. Got up early for the first time in the whole ride and left for Gandikota, keeping my bags at the hotel. Left the hotel by 7:30 a.m. The climate was cool with some fog. The place was 12 km from the hotel and it hardly took 20 minutes to reach. The whole 12 km was awesome to ride and the scene was too good. Had to stop at several places to enjoy the view and click some photos. Reached Gandikota. But before entering the fort, just took a right and some small off-road led to the Penna river. Reached the end, there was no one around and it was a complete silence. But the feel was different to sit in front of such a beautiful place with no disturbance. After some photos, went to the entrance of the fort, parked the bike, went inside the fort, climbed onto the walls to get a view, then saw a vehicle coming inside the fort. So I came to know that we can bring the vehicle inside. So I brought my Himalayan inside. There is a small village. After crossing this village through the fort entrance, there are few structures inside. Also, you will find a mosque, temple, granary, etc. After crossing all this, you will have to climb a little, but it's not difficult. for the first time saw the canyon. It was a stunning view. Yesterday during a break, said to a person who was a localite here that I'm going to Gandikota, and he didn't knew the place. After seeing this place, wonder how do people don't know about such a beautiful place. Bet you that you'll get the most beautiful view of the canyon, and if you don't see this, then there is no point in coming here. Here there was few people around. You can spend a considerable amount of time here. Thought of having some tea and found I have kept my wallet at the hotel room. Good I check before buying something. Came back to the hotel and had breakfast and left for Vijayawada. And as I plan to ride till Vijayawada, I have a very good friend, Kondal Rao, in Vijayawada, so plan to stay at his home. So I called him up to inform, and he was happy that we were going to meet, and he sent his location in WhatsApp. It was already dark before I reached Vijayawada. Stopped at a big river front. The river was huge, and the bridge across the river had lighting work done on all its pillars. It was good to see it from a distance. The lighting on all the pillars were constantly changing. After following the location sent by Kondal Rao, reached, unloaded all the luggage. Meanwhile, he arranged for everything me to freshen up, and we left to explore Vijayawada on his bike. We went to the hotel first and had a good chicken biryani. Then we went to the Prakasam Barrage, the bridge which I saw with lighting when I entered Vijayawada. He told me about the history and about the barrage, which has the Krishna river flowing underneath it. He also told the events that take place around the Krishna river, after which we rode through almost the whole city, and he kept saying the important things about all the places that we passed through. It is always good to roam around with a local there. Finally decided to have a Faluda, so we went to a place which resembled Khao Gali of Mumbai, and it was behind some cricket stadium. Had a good Faluda there. As we were roaming for the past 3 hours, we now went back to home for a good sleep. Thank you for watching my vlog. Meet you in the next vlog the next day. Till then, it's a bye bye from Rider Nadar. Let's ride.